Yeah, try.
안녕하세요. 나는 사람입니다.
Okay.
Kanida, kapon ka.
Hi, welcome kan.
Ayun, marunong na ako.
We're going to review this cassava cake.
Okay.
We're going to taste it.
English. Tell to English something else.
What? It's really good.
Really
You should
good.
try this one. This is a Filipino dessert.
Okay.
Yeah.
Later.
Sweet or what?
Yeah, it's sweet.
Sweet, huh?
Yeah, like
it's
me.
sweet.
Okay. Right, Samsung. I have now
This is only 6 real.
6 real.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is only 6 real, so very affordable and very tasty.
Okay.
Yeah, you should try, guys.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Tala, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye.